When we first started DailyCoin, we saw an opportunity to create a space where crypto enthusiasts could stay up to date with the latest news and analysis without feeling overwhelmed or confused. To put it simply, DailyCoin's mission is to provide next-generation crypto investors with reliable and trustworthy news and analysis.
The world of finance can and does seem intimidating to many. When you mix crypto and all of the budding technologies that go along with it, well, it can be tough to follow, to say the least. I joined the team in 2022. I had plenty of experience creating well-researched content, but I joined DailyCoin because I wanted the time I spent at work to mean something.
Over the years, we've made great progress in delivering on this mission. Our team of experienced journalists across the world work tirelessly to provide in-depth analysis, breaking news, and unique flip-side perspectives you won't find anywhere else. We also understand that irony and humor can often be found in the world of crypto finance, and that's why we love to bring light-hearted touch to our coverage, especially through the use of fun graphics.
Naturally, our news team has the highest journalistic standards, and it's my responsibility to ensure that those standards are upheld. The principle here is quite simple. Every profession has core attributes that can be broken down and honed individually with absolute focus. In the crypto news sphere, those attributes are accuracy, objectivity, and transparency, and each of these are considered with our audience in mind.
We take great pride in ensuring that our readers are always informed and empowered to make the best decisions for themselves. From meticulously vetting sources to the layout of our articles, everything we do is centered around presenting the essence of stories in a way that everyone can understand.
One challenge to this is that the industry we work in is in a constant struggle against two particular specters: fake news and hype. The prevalence of rug pulls, FUD, and unregulated celebrity endorsements means that we as an organization must be diligent in discerning the truth of the matter.
This is the purpose of our On the Flip Side section. Keeping our audience informed is the key to enabling them to stay safe.
At DailyCoin, we want everyone, from policymakers to new investors, to have a solid basis in the need to understand how crypto fits into the financial world.
DailyCoin is a source of knowledge and inspiration that readers can turn to every single day. It's not just about delivering the news, it's primarily about being a trusted source that people can rely on. And that's true for me as well. As the CEO of DailyCoin, I'm committed to ensuring that our readers can trust us to provide them with information they need to navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency.
Everyone at DailyCoin is invested in the success of the industry, but that means we have a duty of responsibility. Each member of my team is knowledgeable in the area that they report on, and they maintain professional distance in order to provide an objective overview of the matter. In this way, we can ensure that transparency is delivered in every word that we write. The truth is king.